Hello, my name is Ruth and I'm one of the NCA herb students just about to complete the course this summer, so very excited to start in practice. I decided to study herbal medicine because having practiced acupuncture for about 10 years now, I was feeling a bit more frustrated that there's certain things I'm particularly interested in treating skin conditions and gynae conditions. And I was feeling like I don't have enough tools in my Chinese medicine toolbox to be able to deal with some of these things in a way that I would really like to. So I had an understanding that herbal medicine would be able to treat some of these patients on a deeper level and make my acupuncture treatments more successful to use in addition with that. I feel I'm going to achieve kind of almost more than I expected because obviously I had an understanding of the power of Chinese herbal medicine before taking the course, but having gone through the in-depth 2-year curriculum and extensive clinical training and seen so many excellent results in the clinic, then I feel absolutely sure that this is really going to contribute to my practice in a really positive way as far as patient outcome is concerned. I think the most rewarding aspect of the course for me has been not only getting to know the amazing qualities of the herbs and studying the ancient texts, but the relationship with the tutors and the level of support that we've received as individuals and as a group has been just amazing. So we all have our moments of thinking we need a bit more support, and Eileen or Cheng is always there to give that little bit extra and ensure that we're okay with what we're doing and feel well supported. When I was first doing the course, I was working full-time in nursing as well as running an acupuncture practice at home, and I had a sudden moment of kind of overwhelm because obviously there's a lot to learn, a lot of stuff to take on and integrate and assignments to be done, and I kind of thought at that moment, oh, I'm not sure this is possible for me to be able to carry on, but Eileen stepped in and made it all seem very doable, gave me a little bit of extra time, a little bit of extra support and reassurance that this has happened before. Sometimes people are overwhelmed by what we need to learn and assignments, but I've not looked back from that point on, so that was really great and I'm really happy about that. I think to talk about what's been most successful in clinic, I think probably the most dramatic cases have been skin conditions. So thinking of a person who had quite bad eczema for quite a long time, and what we do is with the new patients is to ask them to come back in 2 weeks' time just to check we're on the right lines and see how they're progressing with the formula. And within that 2 weeks, huge improvement, almost unrecognisable, obviously not completely gone, but considerably improved, really dramatic and really exciting and inspiring to see. I think the benefit to my fertility patients, I don't know if it's because I live in London, I seem to get quite a lot of older ladies, sort of early to mid 40s, who are sometimes trying to conceive for the first time, and they've had big career, really busy, become a little bit exhausted and depleted, and I feel that to be able to use herbal medicine for them, because it's a continuous treatment, in a way gives a much greater depth to what I can do with acupuncture to try to restore their energy to a state in which they're going to be able to conceive. So I think particularly for the older ladies who are trying to conceive, I think it's going to be really useful. I would say definitely do it, and don't be overwhelmed by the extensive amount of material that you have to cover, because it has its rewards. So I'm not going to say that it's easy, because there's a lot to learn, but the reward, even as you're going along, is great. You feel empowered by your increasing knowledge and seeing results in the clinic, and the feedback from the tutors and the support of the group has been amazing. So definitely do it. Highly recommend it. Yeah, no regrets.